Open a budgeting app right now and you're already doing it wrong. Before you type in one single number, there are 5 things you need to do first. And most people skip number 3. Stick around because this one mistake is the reason budgets fail in the first 2 weeks. And I see it constantly here in the UK with rent bills and the price of literally everything right now. I'm going to walk you through all 5. Fast, simple, no jargon. By the end, you'll be ready to build a budget that actually survives contact with real life. Let's go. Number 1, know your real take-home pay. Not your salary, your actual number after tax, national insurance, and pension. Open your last payslip right now. That number, not your contract number, is what your whole budget is built on. Number 2, build a tiny buffer first. Not a full emergency fund, just 100 to 300 pounds sitting untouched in a separate account. Why? Because the second an unexpected bill hits, and in the UK it will, your budget collapses without one. This buffer is your shock absorber. Number 3, the one almost everyone skips. Track your spending for 7 days before you budget, not guess. Track it. Screenshot your banking app. You will be shocked how much disappears on contactless taps, subscriptions, and just a coffee. You can't budget what you haven't measured. Number 4, list your fixed costs separately from your flexible ones. Rent or mortgage, council tax, energy, phone contract, those are fixed. Food, going out, clothes, those are flexible. Mixing them together is the number 1 reason people feel like their budget doesn't work. Number 5, set one clear money goal before you budget a single penny. Saving for a deposit, paying off a credit card, an emergency fund. Your budget needs a destination. Otherwise, it's just a spreadsheet with no purpose, and you'll quit by week 2. Quick recap, know your real take-home pay, build a small buffer, track 7 days before you budget, separate fixed from flexible costs, and set one clear goal. Do these 5 things first, and your budget will actually stick, even with the cost of living right now. If this helped, hit subscribe. I'm posting UK money tips every week that actually work in real life, not textbook theory. Drop a comment, which one of these 5 did you skip? I'll see you in the next one. Note, numbers like 100 pounds to 300 pounds and 7 days are spelled out as words above, so 11 Labs pronounces them naturally instead of misreading symbols. Recommended voice settings: British English voice, medium fast pace, stability approximately 40 to 50%, high clarity / similarity for a confident, energetic money coach tone.